Isalei, Noqu, girl from Tuinava by the sea.
Who knew a simple Facebook message would mean so much to me?
Isalei, Noqu, 2 years talking through the phone at night, laughing till the morning light. From Tuinava to where the ocean shines, your voice slowly became part of my life.
Then one day you came to Noqu, standing there like a dream before. One soft kiss and time stood still. That moment lives inside me still.
Oh, Noqu, where did you go? Why you left me? I still don't know. From the Nano nights to the Tuka lights, you were my peace in this life.
Oh Noqu, hear my song. I thought our love was strong.
If you ever hear this melody, please come back to me. Laudoka streets in western sun, laughing like we were the only ones. So many waves and salty air, quiet nights that we would share.
Thought our love would always stay, like a rock that storms can't break. Every memory still remains, running slowly through my veins.
Saw any sunset by the sea, Kavabo shared quietly. Night fell slow with island songs, friends laughing all night long. Morning came and you were gone. No goodbye, just moving on. But my heart still hopes someday you'll remember me this way. Oh Noqu,
If love is true,
my heart still waits for you.
from Tuinava to sand, so anytime.
Girl, my love won't hide. Oh Noqu,
Hear my plea, you're still everything to me.
if life gives us one more chance, I'll never let you leave again. Saleh, Noqu. The ocean whispers your name. If you ever think of me, my heart stays the same.